Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and powering the charger. First, verify your phone supports Qi wireless charging. Open settings if unsure. Next, plug the wireless pad into a wall adapter that matches the charger's rated output so it receives stable power. Once powered, remove thick cases or metal objects and any cards from the back of the phone to avoid interference. Now place the phone roughly centered on the pad. Correct alignment is crucial because the charger uses. Once the phone is positioned, adjust it slowly to find the spot where the LED or on-screen icon shows charging. That confirms coil alignment and efficient power transfer. Make sure the charger sits on a flat, ventilated surface so heat dissipates. Excessive heat slows charging and stresses the battery. If your phone offers battery-preserving modes, enable them to reduce charging speed and extend lifespan. Also, use an adapter that provides the charger's recommended wattage to balance speed and thermal management. To finish, monitor the battery level and remove the phone when it reaches full charge or if you notice excessive heat. This prevents unnecessary stress on the battery. If charging fails, first make sure the pad's cable and adapter are fully plugged in and supplying power. Then recheck phone alignment and remove any remaining obstructions like thin metal plates. If problems persist, restart the charger, try a different outlet, or update your phone's firmware. Once done, retest to confirm normal charging behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.